Ready to give your kitchen a jaw-dropping makeover? Elevate your kitchen with 8 sizzling decor ideas. From vintage charm to DIY herb gardens, this video is your ticket to a stylish culinary space. Let's cook up inspiration together. Hello everybody! Welcome back to your channel HD Interiors. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly spice up your culinary haven, kitchen wall decor. We all know the kitchen is the heart of the home, and giving it a personality boost with some creative wall decor can make your cooking space not only functional but also a feast for the eyes. Now, I get it, sometimes the idea of decorating can be a bit overwhelming, but fear not. We've got you covered. In this video, we're going to explore 8 fantastic kitchen wall decor ideas that are sure to inspire and transform your cooking space into a stylish haven. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be brimming with ideas on how to add that perfect touch to your kitchen walls. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's kick things off with a concept that's both visually stunning and a celebration of all things culinary, the gallery wall of culinary delights. Now, what in the world is a gallery wall, you ask? Imagine a curated collection of framed prints showcasing the beauty of herbs, spices, and kitchen utensils. It's like a mini art exhibit right in your kitchen. To get started, consider collecting prints or illustrations that resonate with your taste and the overall vibe of your kitchen. Think about herbs like basil, rosemary, or oregano, beautifully captured on paper or canvas. Mix it up with vintage-style utensils and maybe even throw in a quirky chef's hat or two. Arranging these pieces is an art in itself. You want a balance between spacing them out enough to appreciate each piece individually, yet close enough to create a cohesive look. Play around with different layouts before committing to the final arrangement. The beauty of a culinary gallery wall is not just in the aesthetics, but in the personal touch it adds to your kitchen. It's like a love letter to your favorite flavors and cooking adventures. So, roll up your sleeves, grab those frames, and let's turn that blank kitchen wall into a feast for the eyes. Now, if you're looking for a blend of practicality and style, let's talk about floating shelves with a twist. These aren't your average shelves, we're going beyond the usual storage and turning them into eye-catching displays. Picture this, sleek, minimalist shelves adorning your kitchen walls, but instead of just stacking plates and cups, we're going to incorporate some decorative elements to make these shelves pop. Consider adding small potted herbs for a touch of greenery, bringing a bit of the outdoors into your kitchen. You can also showcase your culinary personality with carefully chosen sculptures or unique kitchen gadgets. It's all about adding that personal touch to your space. Now, the key here is finding the balance between functionality and aesthetics. Make sure the items you choose not only look good, but also serve a purpose. After all, we want your kitchen to be both stylish and efficient. So, grab those shelves, get creative with your decor items, and let's turn those walls into a visually appealing and functional masterpiece. Your kitchen is about to get a serious upgrade. Alright, let's switch gears a bit and talk about a kitchen decor idea that's not only practical but also adds a touch of charm, the chalkboard wall for daily menus. Imagine having a designated space on your kitchen wall where you can jot down your daily menu, grocery lists, or even some fun cooking notes. It's like having your very own canvas for culinary creativity. Chalkboard walls are not only trendy but also incredibly functional. They allow you to change things up on a daily basis, keeping your kitchen atmosphere dynamic. Plus, they're a fantastic way to stay organized and on top of your grocery game. Applying chalkboard paint is a breeze, and it comes in various colors to suit your kitchen palette. Once your chalkboard wall is ready, the fun part begins. Grab some colorful chalk and let your inner artist shine. You can go for a sleek and minimalistic look or get artsy with different fonts and doodles. So, whether you're planning your weekly meals or leaving adorable kitchen notes for your loved ones, the chalkboard wall is here to add a practical and playful touch to your kitchen. Get ready to turn that blank wall into a canvas of culinary creativity. Let's venture into the world of nostalgia and character with the vintage kitchen tools display. If you're someone who appreciates the charm of yesteryear, this one's for you. Imagine adorning your kitchen walls with an assortment of vintage kitchen tools, from retro egg beaters to old-school rolling pins. These pieces not only tell a story but also bring a unique and timeless aesthetic to your cooking space. Finding these vintage gems can be an adventure in itself. Hit up local thrift stores, flea markets, or even raid your grandma's kitchen for hidden treasures. The goal is to collect items that not only serve a purpose, but also carry a sense of history and craftsmanship. Arranging these tools on your wall is where the magic happens. You can go for a symmetrical display or create an eclectic mix of shapes and sizes. The key is to strike a balance between showcasing your collection and maintaining a cohesive look. DIY herb garden wall. Now, let's bring a breath of fresh air into your kitchen with a DIY herb garden wall. If you've ever dreamed of plucking fresh basil or mint right from your kitchen, this idea is going to make your green thumb dreams come true. Imagine vertical wall-mounted containers filled with aromatic herbs like rosemary, thyme, or parsley. Not only does this add a burst of natural color to your kitchen, but it also provides you with easy access to fresh herbs while you cook. Creating your own herb garden wall is simpler than you might think. You can use anything from hanging pockets, recycled containers, or even repurposed wooden crates. The goal is to have a setup that allows your herbs to thrive while adding a touch of greenery to your kitchen space. Consider the sunlight and water requirements of each herb and arrange them accordingly. This not only ensures their well-being but also contributes to the overall aesthetic of your DIY herb garden. So, grab your gardening gloves, pick your favorite herbs, and let's turn that bare kitchen wall into a flourishing oasis of freshness and flavor. Your culinary creations are about to get a serious upgrade with this natural and visually appealing decor idea. Now, let's talk about a decor piece that's both functional and stylish: statement wall clocks. If you thought clocks were just for telling time, think again. We're about to explore how a well-chosen timepiece can become the focal point of your kitchen decor. Imagine a clock that not only keeps you on schedule, but also adds a dash of personality to your cooking space. Look for designs that resonate with your kitchen's theme, whether it's a sleek modern look or a more rustic, farmhouse vibe. Consider placing a statement wall clock in a strategic spot where it not only serves its practical purpose, but also becomes a visual centerpiece. Over the stove, above the sink, or on an empty wall, the possibilities are endless. The beauty of statement wall clocks lies in their ability to blend functionality with artistry. Explore different materials, sizes, and styles until you find the perfect match for your kitchen. It's a simple yet effective way to make a bold statement and add a touch of sophistication to your culinary domain. So, if you're ready to give your kitchen a timeless upgrade, keep an eye out for that perfect clock that not only keeps you ticking but also turns your kitchen wall into a work of art. Let's make time for style in the heart of your home. Now, let's shift our focus to a kitchen wall decor idea that's not just visually appealing but also practical: the tile mosaic backsplash. If you're looking to add a touch of personality and sophistication to your kitchen, this one's a game changer. Imagine turning your kitchen wall into a canvas of colors and patterns with carefully selected tiles. Whether you opt for a subtle, monochromatic design or a vibrant and eclectic mix, a tile mosaic backsplash can completely transform the atmosphere of your culinary space. Installing a tile mosaic may sound like a daunting task, but fear not, it's a DIY project that's totally achievable with a bit of patience and creativity. You can choose from a variety of tile shapes, sizes, and materials to suit your style. From classic subway tiles to intricate Moroccan patterns, the options are endless. Not only does a tile mosaic backsplash add a visual wow factor to your kitchen, but it also serves a practical purpose by protecting your walls from splashes and spills. It's a double win: functionality meets aesthetics. So, if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and embark on a creative journey, let's explore the world of tile mosaics and turn your kitchen wall into a masterpiece of color and texture. Get ready to cook in style with this transformative and practical decor idea. Alright, let's wrap up our kitchen wall decor exploration with a touch of inspiration and personality: personalized kitchen quotes. If you believe that your kitchen is not just a place to cook but a space filled with memories and love, this idea is going to resonate with you. Imagine adorning your kitchen walls with quotes that reflect your culinary philosophy, favorite recipes, or even witty sayings that bring a smile to your face. It's like giving your kitchen a voice that speaks volumes about your passion for cooking and the joy it brings. Now, you don't need to be a calligraphy expert to pull this off. Simple decals, lettering, or even a chalkboard wall can be the perfect canvas for your chosen quotes. Get creative with fonts, colors, and placement. Whether it's a classic Julia Child quote or a family recipe passed down through generations, the options are endless. The beauty of personalized kitchen quotes is the warmth and character they add to your cooking space. It's a subtle yet impactful way to make your kitchen truly yours. So, grab your favorite cooking quotes, get ready to embrace the power of words, and let's turn those kitchen walls into a canvas of inspiration. Your kitchen is not just a place to cook, it's a place to create, share, and savor moments, and personalized quotes are the perfect finishing touch to make it uniquely yours. HD Interiors fans, we've just explored 8 fantastic kitchen wall decor ideas to spice up your culinary haven. We've journeyed from gallery walls of culinary delights to personalized kitchen quotes, exploring a variety of ways to add personality and charm to your cooking space. Remember, your kitchen is more than just a place to prepare meals, it's a reflection of your style, taste, and the heart of your home. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary adventures, these decor ideas are here to inspire and elevate your kitchen experience. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. We've talked about creating a gallery wall with framed prints, jazzing up floating shelves with a personal touch, embracing the practicality and charm of chalkboard walls, and diving into the world of vintage kitchen tools. We've also explored the freshness of DIY herb gardens, the sophistication of statement wall clocks, the visual impact of tile mosaic backsplashes, and the personal touch of kitchen quotes. Now, it's your turn. Which idea resonated with you the most? Are you leaning towards a gallery wall filled with culinary art, or perhaps you're ready to dive into the world of personalized kitchen quotes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear about your creative inspirations. If you enjoyed this journey through kitchen decor, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. And, of course, share this video with anyone you know who's on a mission to turn their kitchen into a stylish and personalized space. As always, thanks for joining me on this decor adventure. Until next time, happy decorating and happy cooking!